We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, continuing to push up higher, breaking through key resistance levels. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bear indicator at 10:20 a.m. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 100% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with the SPY trying to retest the high of the day here towards the end of the day, and we need to talk about some key levels here within the charts, what the inflow versus outflow is showing, and also the bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Netflix bot. Our Netflix bot at 9:06 a.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision into the bell and after the bell, and put options went up 80% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump to these charts. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, doing a full transition from red bars to bright green bars in the last 2 days and hitting newer highs here in the second half of the day. Now, if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the rips from the dips to the rips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY under a bull indicator since yesterday at around 392 area, and inflows dominating for the last 2 days, right? And we have inflows here getting pretty close to the midpoint and pulling away to the upside once again after hitting highs of inflows here yesterday and today, as you see there, of 3.7, and now trying to bring itself back up, sitting at around 3.13 of inflows and green, and going to newer highs of the day, right? After hitting a high here of 398 and rejecting, finding support at 395 and pulling upwards towards 400, guys. Big day tomorrow with the FOMC meeting, and we're going to talk about the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow. Well, the first thing is we need to see what's going on in the bigger picture, right? And the 1 hour has been fighting to stay above the midpoint all day here as outflows are beginning in the bigger picture. It's going to be crucial for these inflows to switch from red to green and pull upwards to the upside, right? In yesterday's video, we talked about how we wanted these inflows to continue higher. They did into today's opening bell, and within today's volatility, outflows have began, but inflows are still dominating as we're above the midpoint and sitting at 3.1, and they're red, right? We want to see it turn green and pull upwards to go ahead and justify this move and go ahead and move up with it, guys. That's going to be crucial We want these inflows to pick up with the momentum in the charts, to possibly reflect even further strength going into tomorrow, in tomorrow's trading day, right? And that these inflows continue to dominate on why we're staircasing to the upside, right? So we want to go ahead and zoom in and look at the 15-minute as well, right? Because the 30-minute is shooting straight up here. And on the 15-minute, we could see those inflows picking back up after crossing to the downside within the volatility. Things started to pick up in the middle of the day here, and then followed by a bull indicator at 397.25 and hitting highs here so far of 399.24. So it's actually double top there. It's right now 399.16. It's going to be crucial for that to continue if there's any strength to go even further into the after hours. Now, we are currently seeing this on the 15-minute with the bull indicator and inflows up above, and on the 30-minute, the same thing as well. So we want these inflows to continue green and above the midpoint. Same thing on the 1 hour, as it's actually red. We want it to stay above, go higher, and turn green. And the key levels I would watch here, since we have multiple bull indicators, if these outflows were to begin, the first supports that I would watch will be the supports of the day, right? So the first support level is 396 will be the first support I would watch. That's where things kind of leveled off today before they bounced even higher. So that's going to be a key level of support. If that gets broken through and the outflows were to cross the midpoint on the 30-minute to the downside and on the 15-minute and pull the 1 hour with it, well, the next support below that is 393, and then below that is 391, guys. Those are the key levels I'm watching to the downside. Now, if we can get these inflows to pick back up and the bull indicators can continue to hold strong, well, the first resistance to the upside is 400, guys. That's a crucial level based off the history of the chart. That's where things rejected before going even lower for the next 3 days after March 9th. It went all the way down till March 13th, all the way down to 381. So 400 is a key psychological level, as we've broken down from different articles and in previous videos. And it's also a key level in the history of the chart. And if that gets broken through, the next resistance above that is 404 that I will be watching, guys. That is crucial here going into tomorrow with the FOMC meeting. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Do you think they're going to pause? Do you think they're going to do a 0.25 rate hike or actually cut back? Those are the three estimates right now from some of the largest banks, right? Stating and analysis ratings on this topic that there could be a 0.25, there could be a pause, or even a rate cut of 0.25. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. It's going to be very interesting tomorrow. Lots of volatility. I'm going to be watching those bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflows very carefully. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.